Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Yahoo Mail if it cannot receive emails. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the settings over here, then click on more settings. Then first thing that we're going to check is filters over here at the left sidebar. And if you have any filters, you want to double check if there is any filter that filters out your emails, which causes your emails to go to other folders. That's why you cannot see them. And next thing that you're going to check is security and privacy. And you want to check if you have any blocked addresses, because if you were able to block the sender, then obviously you won't be able to receive emails from them. And you also want to check with your sender if they have your correct email address. So you can check your email address over here at mailboxes. Then you'll be able to see your email address over here. So if your sender has the incorrect email address, then of course you won't really be able to receive the email. So you want to also double check if they have the correct spelling of your email address. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.